You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica giving here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're here with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 with �shootty. In bracket, Nastyman. So, he's dissing somebody. I don't know who he's dissing. I honestly don't know. A few people tell me to react to this, but I've been busy for the whole weekend, so just get a chance now for second. So I'm gonna jump into them reaction and see what go on, man. We have this one, we have next one for do as well. We have a couple of videos, so just look out. Also, a link I got pinned in the comment section. That's my second reaction channel. Go and check it out as well. All right, so let's jump in this one and see what 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 has, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, yes sir. Yeah, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, �shootty, let's go.
Nasty boy, think, could be a bumbo will favor dog poo. Go
dog poo.
Hey. Toes who get a rotate, never yet see one. Not even one. Them
hold on, that's Alkaline attack. Okay, now we back at dog poo. Dog poo mean dog shit.
Nasty boy, think. Beard.
Think.
Bumbo will favor dog poo.
Alright.
Go Hey. Toes who get a rotate, never yet see one. Not even one. Them no have no name and them no sing no song. There is no superstar, you're some fucking anti-man.
You don't have no name and you don't sing no fucking hit song, you don't sing no song. You not no name. Oh, you
one them no have no name and them no sing no song. There is no superstar, you're some fucking anti-man. Never go low and we have.
We can't say that still about Alkaline now. Alkaline have name still, bro. Yeah. Alkaline have name still. Him have name 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Him have name. And him have some bad song 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. Yeah, man, him have some bad song for true, man. Yeah, man.
Name and them no sing no song. There is no superstar, you're some fucking anti-man. Never go low and we have fuck a back a gal. Uno no bad for your badness a panigram. You can't go link no man up.
Uno no bad. No badness upon the gram. Alkaline him attack. Cause Alkaline up not really post anything like that.
Bagolo and we a fuck a back a gal. Uno no bad for your badness upon the gram. You can't go link no man up a come and some can and Gerald. You know what you see or them not like no batty man.
The man say you can't go come and Gerald. You can't go nowhere. Them not like no batty man. Them not like your brother and member say them say you're a batty man up so you can't go up there. That is what 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 is saying, not me.
Nah, see you, yes. All of my dog, them a short paper sweet with like tutti fruity. Bad bitch with the matic and she part and bougie. Rifle sweet, the place bro me. All of my dog, them a short paper sweet with like tutti fruity.
Let's get to work.
Hey boy, when you try this cartel man still in a school. 10 years later you still is a fool. Yes.
And so when you try this cartel man still in a school, 10 years later you still is a fool. 10 years later you not no sense. That's why I say no me.
When you try this cartel man still in
a school.
10 years later you still is a fool. Yes, he done touch your road and he fuck up your fuse. Me kill him sweet like rhythm and blue.
Man said it done touch your road. Man said cartel touch your road after nearly 13 years. And it fuck up your meds, fuck up your Dula Mangala, fuck up your fuse. How go on?
Fool, yes, he did done touch your road and he fuck up your fuse. Me kill him sweet like rhythm and blue. Hear them a talk about key, but I mostly auto-tune lyrics and split boy head like half a moon. Put a link where hope your man fuck one babu. Call me.
Well, the man, you talk about key. I mostly auto-tune lyrics and split your. He must say half key. You must say half key, bro. How go on?
Me kill him sweet like rhythm and blue. Hear them a talk about key, but I mostly auto-tune lyrics and split boy head like half a moon. Put a link where hope your man fuck one babu. Call me, Earl and a pongy. You don't see that? Not nice boxy man turning me na idiot.
Not nice box to that kind? Earl and a punk. You don't see that? Not nice boxy man. Not nice the box Alkaline. I went that.
Call me, Earl and a pongy. You don't see that? Not nice boxy man turning me na idiot. Dead from 16 and still a look a rematch. Your places like your figure as a god that could win some love.
Man, so you're dead from 2016, dead from 16 and still a look at. How kill Alka? How go on?
Dead from 16 and still a look a rematch. Your places like your figure as a god that could win some love. True shade use the 16 give man low fear dead no bad at all. Make a juvie circle him with a.
Since you love true shade, you use the 16 and give him a low fade. A skin fade you get with it. Because you love throw shade. You man say, you're not brave enough to call name. Or you're not calling a name when you sang them. That is what he's saying to Alkaline, not me.
Them love throw shade, use the 16, give man low fear, dead no bad at all. Make a juvie circle him with a homemade one in your head, you feel no pain. What?
Them no bad at all. Make a juvie circle him with a homemade, with a one pop. Yeah, with a board thing, but he can fire same way. Blood clot. Him not expecting juvie to just pull up on him, so you know. What in I mean? Blood clot. Wait, catch him.
Come in a foreign.
No fear, dead no bad at all. Make a juvie circle him with a homemade one in your head, you feel no pain. Who gas him up? Pro pain, this a more flame.
One in them head, you feel no pain. Instant death you get. Instant. No pain. You're dead before your body even touch ground. And that the man I tell you, one in your head.
Claim with a homemade one in your head, you feel no pain. Who gas him up? Pro pain, this a more flame. Nasty out, we koalas, we are shorty, paper sweet, we like tutti fruity. Bad bitch with the matic, she bad and bougie. Rifle sweep the place, bro me. All of my dog, I'm a shorty, shoot people sweet, we like tutti fruity. Let's get to work. That boy. Toes who gyal a rotate, never yet see one. Not even one. Them no have no name and them no sing no song. There is no superstar, you're some fucking anti-man. Never go low and we a fuck a back a gal. Who no bad for your badness a panigram. You can't go link no man up a come and some can and Jarrell. You know what we see or them no like no batty man. Look nasty out. All of my dog, I'm a shorty, paper sweet with like tutti fruity. Bad bitch with the matic, she bad and bougie. Rifle sweep the place, bro me. All of my dog, I'm a shorty, shoot people sweet with like tutti fruity. Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
No pussy test me, DJ. I swear to God. Bust me head, man. Don't get the wall as them die. Remember when I do this with cloud step, go put my rifle binds in a boy all bad. Fully fucking four corner.
Buckler. Binds a fly, brother. Binds. Man say you're not doing nothing Alkaline. Man say you're afraid. Man say you make a juvie circle and bust your face with one. Yeah, body touch, body cold before you even touch ground, brother. Yo. Then think how you Alkaline there. I never know say the tone in the beef, bro. I never know. I never know still. I never know. All right. Big up myself, Tentic. Big up the team. Big up one as well. We see that Nax replied to this. So catch you over there. So also, guys, please do remember to drop a follow, drop a sub on the link that's in the description. That's my second reaction channel, if you don't mind. All right. Make way forward over Nax. So let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll be in the comment section reading the comment. Let's go.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap on earth.